Bryan Wilkins here for Bosch Public Address Systems, here with our system architect, Preston Stevenson. It seems like manufacturing and warehouses is expanding in a big way here in North America. And these places are looking at public address systems, not just for emergency announcements, but to help coordinate movement on the floor as well. So how can this solution help make their operations more efficient?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think when you look at that, it's really taking PRAESENSA from a standard paging system into the larger ecosystem, right? And I can kind of pick on it a little bit here. We've got this car, but when we put this in this area, we're gonna have the video camera up here.
A vehicle that's been detected in a no parking area.
And you hear this now playing this message of that, you're in a no parking area, but this could be anything. This could be somebody walking in an area that they shouldn't be walking, or somebody places a pallet in a crossing area or an area that shouldn't be, or they're blocking a fire exit, right? So now we're taking this traditional big box area or big square box of a storage facility, but using camera analytics to be able to do things. We're using it for paging. We're still giving you all that health monitoring, as well as, when we need it, it truly is a mass notification or an evacuation system.
That's really remarkable. Thank you very much, Preston.
Absolutely.
You can learn more at boschsecurity.us.